Do you ever dream of financial freedom? That feeling of not having to worry about money, of having your money work for you, instead of the other way around. It might sound like a distant dream, something only for the rich. But what if I told you that you could start building that future today with just a few dollars? Stick around, because I'm about to show you how the magic of small, consistent investments can completely transform your financial life. Most people think you need a huge pile of cash to even think about investing. They see headlines about million-dollar portfolios and feel like it's a game they can't even enter. That's one of the biggest myths holding people back. The truth is, the most powerful tool in investing isn't a massive starting capital, it's time. And the best way to leverage time is through something called compound interest. Albert Einstein supposedly called it the eighth wonder of the world, and for good reason. So, what is compound interest? Simply put, it's earning returns not just on your initial investment, but also on the accumulated interest from previous periods. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill. It starts small, but as it rolls, it picks up more snow, getting bigger and bigger, faster and faster. Your money does the exact same thing. A small amount invested today can grow into a surprisingly large sum over the years thanks to this compounding effect. Let's break it down with a real-world example. Imagine you start investing just $5 a day. That's the price of a fancy coffee. It doesn't sound like much, right? $5 a day is about $150 a month. If you invested that $150 every month into a simple index fund that historically averages around an 8% annual return. Guess how much you'd have in 30 years? You'd be looking at over $200,000. And out of that, your total contribution would only be $54,000. The rest, nearly $150,000, is pure growth from your money working for you. That's the power of starting small and staying consistent. Okay, so you're convinced. How do you actually start? The good news is, it's never been easier. Thanks to modern technology, there are tons of apps and platforms that are perfect for beginners. Many of them have no minimum deposit requirements and allow you to buy fractional shares. This means you don't need to buy a whole share of an expensive stock like Amazon or Google. You can just invest $5 or $10 and own a small piece of it. It's like buying a slice of a pizza instead of the whole pie. Law 4 platforms that are user-friendly and have low fees. Some popular options allow you to set up automatic recurring investments. This is a game changer. You can set it to automatically invest a small amount from your bank account every week or every month. This set-it-and-forget-it approach takes the emotion out of investing and builds a powerful habit without you even having to think about it. It automates your journey to wealth. Now, what should you invest in? For most beginners, a great place to start is with low-cost index funds or ETFs. An index fund basically holds a small piece of every company in a major market index, locked the S&P 500, which tracks the 500 largest companies in the US. This instantly diversifies your investment. Instead of betting on one single company to succeed, you're betting on the overall growth of the entire economy. It's a much safer and more stable strategy for long-term growth. The key takeaway here is this. Wait until you think you have enough money to start investing. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is right now. That small amount you can spare today is your most powerful asset because it has the most time to grow. Start by identifying a small, manageable amount you can consistently invest. Maybe it's $20 a week. Maybe it's $100 a month. Whatever it is, start there. Automate it. And be patient. Financial independence isn't about getting rich quick. It's about building wealth steadily over time. It's about making smart, consistent choices that your future self will thank you for. So, download an investment app today, set up a recurring deposit, and buy your first fractional share or ETF. Take that first small step on your journey to financial freedom. You've got this. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tips on building your wealth. Let me know in the comments what you plan on investing in first. See you in the next video.